Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you having a Porsche Cayenne or a Volkswagen Touareg, guys. I think it may work on it as well because they use the same wiring harness, the same wiring order, I think, for most years, first generation. If you want to see how to convert from regular headlights, non-HID headlights, to HID headlights, I think they're called Halogen, to HID headlights, guys, we'll cover that today. What do you need to do? Okay, it's doable. And we did it on our car and we'll demonstrate how it works. Make sure you stand till the end. Come, we'll show you what we are doing now here. And then we're going to test all that and show you how we connected everything. But this is the HID headlight. The HID, okay, on a regular headlight, you have a low beam, high beam here. Okay, none of those will be HID. You don't have a cornering light. You have a park light and a turn signal light, right? Now, guys, this is the original wiring harness for the headlight, which, by the way, falls apart. So if your headlights do not work, it's very likely that's your cause right here. But let's talk about that now, guys. Okay, we bought the wiring harness connectors, okay, online, very inexpensive. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. We took it apart. How? Here there is one tooth. We pulled it out, okay, and later, guys, if you need to get those pins out, you get a little needle, press on this side, the metal clips press together and you pull it out, because we switched all of them. But I want to show you the order, because most of you that know how, that are about to do that, you will know how to remove the wire, which is pretty simple, again, with a small needle. Here, let's talk about that. You see the numbers 1 through 13 on this side and 2 through 4 on this side. So guys, what do we need to do now? Okay, we're first going to start. Okay, we're going to switch wire number 4, guys. Okay, number 4 is for the parking light positive. Number 4, parking light positive. Okay, we'll go actually to wire number 1. Okay, it needs to be right here if you want your HID parking light to work. Then you need to, guys, go and switch turn signal will be let me see now. We'll be switching actually, guys, okay, the headlight vertical aim control, okay, which is pin 1, okay, pin 1. You will need to take pin 1 and you will need to put it, guys, on pin 3 right here where we have ours. You see, so we have 2 of them now so far. Then, guys, you need to get number 7 and 8. Okay, 7 and 8. There for the low beam and excuse me, 7 is for the high beam. 8 is for the additional. 1 second. Let me see. 7. 7 goes to 4. Okay, 7 is the high beam positive. So 7 will go to 4. Okay, watch this thing now. We have the yellow, the red wire. Okay, let me just see that thing, because ours, okay, from what I see, I didn't even go to 4 right here. So 1 second, let me figure it out, but that's the order that you're going to get them. The covers should be the same when you buy, okay, that wiring harness, okay. Now 6 will go to 5 and 5 will go to 6, so you will need to switch them, the red and the yellow one. After that, guys, okay, what we did, number 7, guys, okay, we spliced them together, okay, because pin 4 on the vehicle goes nowhere, so the low beam ground is now tied into the high beam ground, guys. Okay, low beam ground to the high beam ground will be right there, because number 7, okay, will be low beam. And what we have it here, okay, let me show you. We went ahead and did it with number 8. Okay, and number 8 is the high beam. Okay, so right here, guys, okay, right there, 7 and 8, we did them in 1. That's the brown and the white wire goes to number 8. That's the high beam, the low beam, and the high beam negative. The cornering light, guys, okay, the cornering light, we actually extended it, and we're going to connect it to the fog lights by installing LED cornering light bulb and LED fog light bulb, which both of them, the regular bulbs, are 55 watts each. So we need to combine these bulbs, two bulbs, to make 55 watts. So we need to make to find LED bulbs that will have that wattage, and it will work perfect. We'll show you in a second. And after that, guys, okay, we need to put wire number 3, okay. Number 3 will go to number 7, and number 3, guys, will be the high beam actuator that lifts from up and down the motor. Okay, we'll go from 1 to 7 right here. Okay, we did that one. Okay, right here, and then what we did, guys, after that, 2 went to 9 because 2, guys, was the turn signal positive wire. Okay, and we had to switch it to 9 right here. This is 9 for the turn signal positive wire. And after that, guys, 10, 11, and 12 stay the same. Okay, you don't change them. So 4 goes to 1, 9 the cornering light. Okay, because 9 is for the cornering light, will go to the fog light. 1 will go to 3. 7 and 8 go to 8. 6 goes to 5, 5 goes to 6, 2 goes to 9, 10, 11, 12 stay the same. Now, we're going to hook it up quickly, guys. Okay, we want to hook it up and show you that it actually works, because some people will say, no, there is no way that works. We don't have things together yet, okay? So, it will be a little bit of a mess here, because I'm just connecting all the wires like that. So, give us a second. Let me get now, okay, let me get one light here. We're going to install, for the cornering light, we will install the bulb. It will be on the outside, because we're waiting on an H3 LED bulb with 15 watt, guys. Let me see here to the ground. 15 watt power consumption, and the one on the bottom is 40 watts. So we'll have 55 watts, guys, which will be perfect. Okay, now I want to show you here, guys. Give me a second to get it here. Okay, this is in. I want to be able to see the cornering bulb. Let's hold this thing for a second. Okay, like that. Perfect. Now, we're going to lift the bumper up. We're going to connect it. Okay, I'll get the camera in a second, because it's hard to do it with one hand and a camera and all that stuff. So, okay, let me see. I need to connect the wire here. Okay, and I want to show you how everything works, guys, now. Okay, check this thing out now. Okay, let's power up the vehicle. Okay, parking light. Okay, you see parking light now there? Okay, works, right? Left turn signal, works. Okay, low beam, watch, up, down, and it's going to come to a neutral position after that. Okay, now high beam. Okay, that's high beam, excuse me, that's low beam, that's high beam. You see, it even switches and everything. And for the fog lights, if we do the fog lights, watch what's happening. Fog lights work, okay, with the LED bulb, and the cornering light works here as well. This one will be for the cornering light. So when we turn the actually the fog lights, we'll have cornering light. It will not work when you turn the steering wheel, but it will work with the fog lights in our case. So you can see everything works like it should, guys. Conversion is done. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Guys, our mission is to save you money. Please subscribe to the channel. Let us help more people. Our mission is to get more subscribers. That way we can save more people money. Let's build a community where we can help each other and save each other money. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.